Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. This week's video, I'm going to show you part 2 of getting started in Kdenlive. We're going to set up proxy clips, which helps the clips play a bit easier on slower machines. I'm also going to show you a very simple fade in, fade out using Kdenlive. So if we run Kdenlive, and you see here we've got a video that I've imported, which has come from my video camera. I want to enable proxy clips, so I can click on project settings, then I can click on proxy and tick the box here that says enable proxy clips and press OK. Now I need to right click on the file, so the video, and we're going to select proxy clip. You'll see there we've got a P in the corner. Now depending on the speed of the machine, you'll see a progress bar there. Now we want to do a simple fade on Kdenlive, so we drag our video to here, and we just cut the first part of the video off there, and go back to the inspector tool and press delete on the keyboard. Now we can right click and we can remove the space. So I've just cut and removed some space. I want to do a simple fade, so fade in, fade out. Now if I want to just fade in, I can go to the corner with the mouse. You'll see there a dot keeps appearing. Now by default it's going to fade in at 3 seconds. So if I click on that one, you'll see there it says fade in. Now if I click on fade in, you'll see here it says duration 3 seconds. I can make that go down. I can do say 2 seconds, or I can do, I'm going to say 20th of a second, make it nice and slow, make it nice and quick. And you can use the up and down arrows to change the duration, use the arrow here to change the duration, or you can use the mouse wheel like I'm doing here. And that means that when the video plays, it's got a fade in, nice fade in there. If I want to add a fade out and fade in, say you want to change the scene, something like that, if I press on the scissors and clip this one in half here, press on the arrow, I can do a fade out. Again, that's 3 seconds, so we can make that go down, say there, which is 44, let's make that 20th. And we do the same thing here. Click on the fade in. Again, we'll make that 20 seconds or 0.20th of a second. Let's go down again. And now when you play your video, there's the fade, and it comes back in again. Now if you want to make it a bit longer, just simply click on the fade in, and you can make it a bit longer like that. I want to make it fade out just a bit longer, a bit across, say there, and the fade will be a lot longer. Now if you wanted to make it so it just fades out and doesn't fade in, you can click on fade in, press on the bin, and it removes it. So now when you play the video, it just comes back in. If you wish to remove the fade out effect, click on the fade out and press on the bin. You see there I've got a fade in, I've got no fade in, no fade out, so the video will just play as normal. Now also how to do a very simple fade in, fade out on Kdenlive and enable proxy clips, so the videos can play a bit smoother on slightly older machines. And that's one of the features that I like on Kdenlive. Nice and simple to do a very simple fade in, fade out. If you found the video of some use, you know what to do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, I suppose that other button seems to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays. I'll see you in the next video.